Hello Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I'm sharing with you the Playful Pets Designer Series paper. This is a 12 by 12 double-sided designer series paper that is all about pets. Or I guess I should say puppies and kitties specifically. The colors used are basic black, cinnamon cider, early espresso, flirty flamingo, real red, soft suede, and whisper white. I'm going to show you the full sheet of each of these, and I want you to pick out your favorite and let me know what it is in the comments below. Okay, so did you pick out your favorite one? I have to say I'm more of a kitten person than I am a dog person. So I'm super loving the kitties here and here. But I also really love the little paw print one because I feel like that one goes really well with a lot of different options. In case you don't know what style of dog or cat the person might have, then those kind of work as like a generic cutesy pet card. So I'm super excited about this paper to use for those who maybe get a new pet or perhaps sadly enough lose a pet or something like that. I feel like this paper will work perfect for that. And I actually just got the paper and not the stamp set because I don't know how much I would use it. And so I love that I can use the paper and still create fabulous cards for those friends and family of mine. So I hope you guys enjoyed the Playful Pets Designer Series paper. And of course, don't forget to check out the other Designer Series paper reveals that I have done. I will leave a link to the side for that. And you can check out some of my other videos. Don't forget to check out my blog, laurastamppad.com, for inspiration and ideas as well. Have a wonderful day and happy stamping. Bye-bye.